Wala Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma ulak kentat ban kentho halor ke jingedei ke All India Congress Committee bagi MLA ke Congress ki belawan kyrshan ke Sarkar MDA. Penban ula ong pat bagi wan kyrshan ke bynta ke bed ke biang ki paidbah bat ke sensyar khadar. Ula ong bagi MLA ke Congress da ke Congress Legislature Party ki lawan ban ajing kyrshan ke Sarkar MDA hakan nongrem ke Bashai bat da ke babu jing mud bat nakaliang ke MDA ke pediang sumubhaya ki.
That is between the AICC and the MLAs, and what the party decides, that is something that I have no comment on. But purely the MLAs have made it very clear that keeping in mind the larger interest of the state, the larger interest of the people, and overall governance, they have decided to give support as a CLP, support the government, and that's a welcome move from our side.
So will BP accept if these 5 MLAs decide to join the party, merge with your party?
No, the merger issue is a different issue. That is something that we have to study even further. And as I said, that we have not reached that particular juncture yet. Right now, it is purely on the basis of governance and support for the issues that are important to the state. We are going through tough situations when it comes to COVID, when it comes to the border issue, and there are many other issues that have been pending for a long time. And finally, the government is taking steps to resolve those issues. And seeing these positive steps being taken, the other MLAs are motivated to work with us and support us. And that's a good message to the people in general, showing that the political leadership is together and would want to work together in the larger interests of society and the state as well.